In this video, you'll learn how to connect Cursor to Notion. This process will enable you to integrate your Cursor features seamlessly within your Notion workspace, enhancing your productivity and organization. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address, notion.so. Once the page loads completely, ensure that you are logged into your Notion account. If you encounter any issues with login, check your internet connection and try again. Next, find your profile icon located in the top right corner of the Notion interface. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options, including account settings and personalization features. Ensuring you have access to these settings is crucial for the next steps. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new page where you can manage your account preferences. Look for the Connections tab on the left side of the Settings menu. This section is where you will manage integrations with other applications. Once you are in the Settings page, click on the Connections option. Here, you will see various integrations available for your Notion account. This area allows you to connect different tools and applications, making it essential for enhancing your workflow. Following this, locate and click on the Explore button. This will present you with a list of available integrations. Scroll through the options until you find Cursor. This step is important to ensure you are connecting the correct application to your Notion account. Now, click on Cursor to access its integration details. This section provides information about how Cursor works with Notion and the benefits of connecting the two. It is important to review this information to understand what features will be available once the integration is complete. Next, click on the Connect button to initiate the integration process. This action may prompt you to grant permissions for Cursor to access your Notion account. Ensure you read through these permissions carefully as they determine what data Cursor can interact with. After connecting, click on the back option to return to the previous menu. This will help you navigate back to the list of connections. It is essential to confirm that the connection has been established successfully before proceeding. Now, click on the connection option to verify if the integration with Cursor was successful. This step is critical as it confirms that Notion and Cursor are now working together. You should see a confirmation indicating the successful connection. Following this verification, click on Connections again to review the list of currently connected applications. This allows you to manage your integrations effectively. Make sure to check if Cursor appears in this list to confirm that the connection is. Finally, if Cursor appears in your list of connections, click on Close to exit the Connections menu. This step concludes the process of integrating Cursor with Notion, allowing you to utilize both tools